Most people never fail in Forex because of strategy. They fail because they never set things up correctly. Wrong broker, wrong spreads, wrong settings, wrong expectations. So in this video, I am going to show you exactly how to buy and set up Forex Diamond EA the right way. Simple, clean, professional. Let's start with the most important part. Buying the robot safely. There are many fake websites, copied versions, and outdated builds online. You do not want that. To get the official and latest version of Forex Diamond EA, always use the trusted link in the description. This ensures you get the real product. You get updates, you get proper support. Once you purchase Forex Diamond EA, you will receive access to the files needed for MetaTrader. Now step 2, choose the right broker. This is where most people mess up. Forex Diamond EA is an advanced automated system. It needs low spreads, fast execution. No restrictions on expert advisors. That is why I recommend IC Markets. IC Markets is one of the most AI-friendly brokers in the industry. Ultra-low spreads reduce trading costs. Fast execution improves entries and exits. And there are no limitations on automated trading. This is critical, especially for scalping and precision strategies. Open your IC Markets account using the link in the description. Now step 3. Install MetaTrader. Forex Diamond EA works on MetaTrader, which is the industry standard for automated trading. Download MetaTrader from your broker. Install it. Log in with your trading account. Once MetaTrader is installed, you are ready for the robot. Step 4. Install Forex Diamond EA. You simply place the EA files into the correct folder inside MetaTrader. Restart the platform. Enable automated trading. Attach the EA to the correct chart. This takes only a few minutes. No coding, no advanced technical knowledge. Just follow the instructions provided after purchase. Step 5. Choose the right settings. This part matters. Forex Diamond EA already comes with optimized logic. You do not need to overcomplicate things. Start with conservative risk. Let the robot do its job. Allow the system to trade naturally. Most people fail because they increase risk too fast. Professional traders think long-term. Consistency first, growth later. Step 6. Let the robot trade. Once Forex Diamond EA is running, your job is simple. Do not interfere emotionally. Do not overadjust settings. Do not panic after 1 or 2 trades. Automation works best when you let it follow its rules. The robot does not get tired. It does not hesitate. It does not break discipline. That is the edge. Now imagine this. Instead of staring at charts all day, you let a proven system handle execution. You monitor results. You think like a portfolio manager, not a gambler. That is how real trading works. Forex Diamond EA gives you structure. IC Markets gives you the infrastructure. Together, they create a professional automated trading setup. If you are serious about Forex, this is how you start. Check the links below. Get the real robot. Use the right broker. Build a system, not a gamble.